Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Scientia where science meets you.
In today's video, let's discuss the answers for model question paper in 10 minutes.
These are the answers to model question paper Max 2021. The first one is, the question is in arithmetic progression. So Sn is 3n plus 5 at n equal to 1. S1 would be 3 into 1 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. At n equal to 2, S2 will be 11. So the common difference, let it be D. Then S1 equal to A1, that is 8. S2 is A1 plus A2, that is A1 plus, what is A2? A1 plus D. So 11 is equal to 8 plus D. 11 is 16 plus D. So D is minus 5. Next, these are the equations for line 1 and line 2. These lines are coincident if A1 by A2 is B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. There would be parallels if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and is not equal to C1 by C2. These lines intersect if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. It is perpendicular if none of them are equal, or if A1 A2 plus B1 B2 equal to 0. So now on calculating, according to the question, A1 by A2 is 6 by 3, it's 2 by 1. B1 by B2 is minus 2 by minus 1, that is 2 by 1. Now C1 by C2 is 9 by 12, that is 3 by 4. So according to the condition of parallel lines, A1 by A2 is B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So the lines are parallel lines. Moving on. This is the second question. Previous was the third. So let A, B, C, D be a rhombus according to the figure. Let the diagonals bisect at 0. Then diagonal 1 AC is 16 centimeter. Diagonal 2 is BD, that is 12 centimeter. Now AO is AC by 2, that is 16 by 2 is 8 centimeter. OB is BD by 2, that is 12 by 2 equal to 6 centimeter. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AO square plus OB square is AB square, this triangle. So on solving we get to know AB is root 100, that is 10 centimeter. Now given the class ranges from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, and the frequencies are as shown here, and we calculate cumulative frequencies, that is 10, 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 12, 37, 37 plus 20, 57, 57 plus 9, 66. So n is 66, n by 2 is 66 by 2, that is 33, it lies in 10 to 15 range. So the highest frequency is 20, that is it lies in 15 to 20 range. The lower limit of model class is 15. So required sum would be 10 plus 15, that is 25. Next, seventh question, AB equal to A height. So perpendicular, BC is shadow, that is base, and theta is angle of elevation. So you're solving like this, drawing a triangle. AB is equal to BC over here. So tan theta is PB by AB. P by B, that is AB by BC, that is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1. Theta would be tan inverse of 1, that is theta equal to 45 degree. Next question, x square plus kx plus 64 equal to 0. And x square minus 8x plus 4 equal to 0. So for real roots, discriminant D would be 0. What is D equal to? B square minus 4ac, that should be 0. So in first case, x square minus kx, x square plus kx plus 64 is 0. So we are taking B as k, A as 1 and C as 64, and solving the discriminant part, you get k equal to plus or minus 16. In second case, x square minus 8x plus k equal to 0. So B is minus 8, A is 1, C is k. On solving this, when you put B square minus 4 AC is equal to 0, you get k is equal to 16. Next, 10th one, let P be a point x, y. Be any point on the perpendicular bisector of AB, then PA equal to PB. That is root of x minus 7 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square will be equal to x minus of minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square. So on equating and following these steps, you get the equation x minus y equal to 3. Now the point is on x axis. It means y equal to 0. So when you substitute this value in equation 1, you get x equal to 3. So the coordinates of the point that lies is 3, 0. 3, 0. The next question, 11th one, OBP is equal to OAP, that is equal to 90 degree. Angle made by the tangent. We have to find the angle made by the tangent. So BOA plus OAP plus OBP plus BPA would be 360. Now we know that OBP and OAP are 90 degree. That is made by the tangent. So now you substitute these values and finally you get BOA is equal to 140. Next, A equal to 10. Okay, 14th question. The other questions are direct questions, so I am skipping them. 14th question, it's given that A equals 10, B equals 10, N is 5. So we need to find the fifth term. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So A5 is equal to 10 plus 5 minus 1 into 10. So 10 plus 40 is 50. Now 15, 16 I am skipping. Next is 17th question. BC is perpendicular to AB. It's given in the question. So ABC is 90, BAC is 60, AB is 2.5. So you can visualize like this. That is AC is the length of ladder and BC is the length of wall. So yeah, cos 60 degrees is AB by AC, that is half equals to 2.5 by AC. On solving you get AC is 5 meters, that is the length of the ladder. Moving on, 18th one, secant square 42 minus cosecant square 48. We know that secant square theta is nothing but secant theta is cosecant 90 minus theta. So secant 42, keep it like that itself. Cosecant 48, we can write it down as cosecant 90 minus 42. So on solving this, you get secant 42 the whole square minus secant 42 the whole square, cancel is 0. 19th question, x plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 4. So first let's add the two equations. You get x equal to 9, and on subtracting the second equation from the first, you get y equal to 5. So the points are xy, that is 9, 5. Next, 21st question, 20th is direct. So CD is the median. D is the midpoint of AB. Let's visualize it. So the coordinates of D on AB would be 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus comma 3 plus 9 divided by 2. So it would be 3 by 6, and the length of CD would be, according to the formula, x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square under the root. You get 9 plus 1, that is root 10 units. So moving on to 22nd question. X square minus 3x minus 10 is 0. Here A is 1, B is minus 3, C is minus 10. According to the formula, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So now we can find x by substituting the value of A, B, C over here. You get it as x equal to 5 or minus 2. Because on solving root, you might get either a positive root or a negative root. Moving on to 23rd question. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Yes, it's a standard identity, so it's a direct question again. 24. The dimensions given are 49 into 33 into 24. So the volume of sphere would be volume of cuboid. That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is 49 into 33 into 24. So on solving this, you get r cube is 7 cube into 3 cube. On taking cube root on both the sides, you will get r equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, now 25th question. If two triangles, the solution to 25th question is, if two triangles are similar to each other, then the ratio of the areas of these triangles will be equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides of the triangle. Sides ratio is given as 4:9, isn't it? So ratio between the areas of this triangle will be the square of this. So 4 by 9 the whole square, that is 16 by 81. In ratio form, it is 16:81. Got it? Next, 26th question. Solution. First two digit numbers divisible by 3 is 12. Last two digit number divisible by 3 is 99. So this can be considered as arithmetic progression, AP, where AP would be 12, 15, 18, so on till 99. Here the first term is A, that is 12. Common difference would be 3, that is obvious. So let us consider there are n numbers, an equal to 99. A plus n minus 1 into d is 99. On solving this, you get n minus 1 is equal to 29, so n is 30. Moving on, 27th question. Let the point A be 2, 3, point B be 4, 1. So taking it as x1 and y1 and x2, y2. Length of AB would be x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square under the root. So on substituting, you get it as root 8. Root 8 can be expressed as 2 root 2 units. 28th is a direct question. Moving on to 29. Sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. On substituting the values directly, you get root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus half into half. That is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is 4 by 4 equal to 1. Moving on, 30th question solution. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is 0 has equal roots. Implies that d would be 0. So what is d discriminant? B square minus 4ac. So d equals k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Substitute the values accordingly. So k square is 24. That is root of plus or minus 24. Or on solving you get plus or minus 2 root 6. 32nd question solution. Triangle OPQ is a right angle triangle. So OP square plus PQ square equals OQ square. That is 5 square plus PQ square is 12 square, and on solving you get PQ square is 119. PQ is plus or minus 119. Negative value would be neglected because for quantities such as length there is no negative value. 35th question. Given classes of range 0 to 70 with each class interval equal to 10. Frequencies as shown below. Cumulative frequencies 4 plus 4 8 plus 8 16 plus 10 26, 26 plus 12 38, 38 plus 8 46, 46 plus 4 50. So the total is 50. N by 2 is 50 by 2, that is 25. So 25 lies in the median class 30 to 40 in that range. Next, 37th question. AP is, okay, consider the arithmetic progression according to the question paper. So A is equal to 2, B equal to 7 and N equal to 10. So now D is B minus A, that is 7 minus 2 is 5. Now Sn is N by 2, that is 2A plus N minus 1 into D. That is nothing but 10 by 2 into the 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 and 5. So on solving you get it as 245. 38th question. Length, breadth and height are given. So volume of a cube is length into breadth into height. Multiply all the three numbers, you will get 160 centimeter cube. 39th question. They have said that there are 8 pants. Let it be 8x. 12 t-shirts be 12y. So total cost would be 200. So it is 8x plus 12y is 200. This is the right form of the equation. 40th question. 3 sin A is 18. So sin A would be 3, 18 cancel 6. So 1 by sin A is nothing but cosecant A. So 1 by sin A is 1 by 18 by 3, that is 3 by 18. So cosecant A would be 3 by 18. So that's it for this video. All the best for your exams.
Hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get instant updates of the video that